feel lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good evening, everyone! It's our last night here in Bohol, and for tonight, sa Sea Breeze Cafe tayo magbo-buffet dinner. So, nakakain na kami doon before, pero hindi ko na actually matandaan kung ano yung nangyari kasi nothing really stood out. So, try natin siya, tingnan natin if there's a difference. So, tara, sama kayo, kain tayo. Okay, nandito tayo sa Sea Breeze Cafe. Dito yung buffet dinner nila. So, dun yun sa loob. And then, meron din silang set up dito sa labas. Yan. Pwede ka rin dito kung gusto mo rito sa beachfront. And there's a band. Hi! Try na natin mag-register. Ayun, nakaupo. This is the rate. Tapos, eto siya for unlimited beverage. Okay. For the drinks. Thank you. Thank you. Pwede ba dito na lang?
Sige, okay lang ma'am.
Ay, malamig. Oo nga. Sige, dito na lang siguro. Sa other side, sa dulo. Yan na lang, dyan na lang. Thank you. Okay, start tayo. Ikutin natin kung ano meron sila. So, this one is Tom Yum Goong. They have assorted bread. This one, Shanghai fried rice. Looks good. Cajun potatoes. Ito, seafood pancit canton. Hi, JR! Kamusta ka na? Hello, this is my friend, JR. Ano to, lagi niya kaming inaalagaan pag nandito kami. Okay, ikot-ikot muna. Ay, thank you so much. Ikaw din, parang hindi ka nag-age.
Parang hindi ka tumatan.
Ay, parehas tayo. Last year, yung huling kita natin. Oo. Okay.
Nervy? Ano ka sekreto nito?
Cosrx. Sige po.
Ilan kayo, ma'am?
Tatlo. Ando kami sa dulo.
Sige po.
Sige po. Alright, thank you. Okay, dito we have the seafood pancit canton, sauteed broccoli, this one, seafood as well. We have chicken bulgogi, Thai style pork meatballs, roast beef, and rice dito. Ayan, gusto ni Sir dito may fries and then like nachos. Tapos dito they have different fruits and cheese. Dito they have the quiche and chicken skewers. Dito naman yung salad station nila. This is shrimp and chorizo with roasted pepper sauce. And then caramelized pears in baguette. Dito na tayo sa dessert since magkatabi sila. So yan, they have ube makapuno cake, pandan creme brulee, they have chia, panna cotta, and ano to, passion fruit and dark chocolate. They have choco mousse, Ay, ang cute naman ito. Mini brulee cheesecake. And, ayan, ube makapuno cake ulit. And, ayan, ulit lang pala ulit. Ayan, yung ice cream flavor nila for today is vanilla. They have nutty tart, assorted macarons, and sapin-sapin. There's coffee eclair and mango crepe. Mango tapioca salad and pandan tapioca cooler. Tapos dito is their noodles station. Ayan, pati yung different toppings. This is their dim sum station. And their carving station. So may roast beef and malaking fish. Anong fish to, ate?
Dalakito nga.
Talakito? Laki ah. And then they have chicken and lechon. And then, ito naman yung grilling station nila. So, ayan yung iba't ibang pwede nyong ipaluto. They also have salpicao. Ito pork and then chicken. Sa taas, they have beef and seafood. And ito, cheese sticks and onion rings. And beef finger steak. And ayun, may corn dog. And chicken doon. Ayan, dito pala yung pasta station nila. And they have pizza. And grilled pork belly. Ano to, parang samgyup station? Ah, okay. Ayan. And sushi. And maki. Okay, so dito parang ano siya, managed buffet kasi sila yung nagsaserve. So tara, kuha na tayo ng food natin. Okay, nakakuha na tayo ng food. So we have the dim sum, noodles, seafood gratin, and then roast beef and lechon. Try din natin yung Shanghai fried rice nila, as well as pizza and ano to, chicken bulgogi and Thai meatballs. Kain na tayo! Okay, start na tayo. Ano unahin natin? Siguro, itong ano, yung siomai. Siomai talaga, eh, no? Let's see. Normal siomai lang. Nothing too special, pero okay naman siya. Pwede na. Alright. Next natin yung siopaw nila. Ang bigat ah. Bigat ng siopaw nila. Nakikita mo na yung laman oh. 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 Sarap to. Kagaya niya yung mga siopaw sa Hong Kong. I like this. The child in me. Kumuha rin tayo ng ano, cheese stick nila. Lumamig na, sayang. Medyo ano na siya. Hindi na siya crispy, pero masarap yung cheese niya sa loob. You wanna try?
Is this
That's cheese stick.
pool? I mean, cheese.
There's no cheese pool, but yeah, it's like cheese stick. Alright. Okay, I like it. Okay. Next natin is their pancit canton. Oopsie. Mamaya papaluto tayo ng noodles. May laksa kaya sila? In fairness, yung pancit canton nila, henan na henan. Alam mo yung, basta pag kumain ka na ng pancit canton sa henan, consistent yung lasa. This is seafood gratin. Fresh siya. And sarap yung cream. Okay to.
Next natin is yung, anong beef to? Laki. Try natin siya. Hindi ko muna lalagyan ng sauce. Ito yung beef niya lang. Matabang siya without the sauce. Kailangan natin yung peppercorn sauce, pero malambot. And this is their lechon. Matanglad nga. Pero masarap. I like it. Kahit walang sauce, malasa siya. Katiman. Next natin is the chicken, yung roasted chicken nila. It actually looks good. Sana may lasa hanggang laman. Karamihan kasi sa roasted chicken, di ba, nasa balat lang. Walang lasa yung laman. Kaya natin balat. Wala rin. Kailangan din ang seasoning nito. Ito na may isang roast beef nila na nasa sauce na or may sauce na. May. Hindi ko ganun type yung lasa. Malambot siya pero matabang eh. Tapos medyo maasim yung sauce. Anyway, let's try yung Shanghai fried rice. Mahilig tayo sa fried rice, so sana good. Good. Okay. Sarap yung Shanghai fried rice nila. Then we have the Thai pork meatball. Sweet and sour. Nothing special. Next natin is si chicken bulgogi. Chicken bulgogi is good. So far, ano siya? Hit and miss. May masarap, merong hindi. Pero yung Shanghai fried rice, very good talaga. Let's try the pizza. Ito parang ham and onions. May konting lasa yung onion. I don't like it. Ito, cheese lang. Which is good. It's like your friendly kapitbahay pizza. Di ba yung crust? Di ba ganyan yung mga crust? Okay, nagpagawa tayo ng pesto pasta from their pasta station. Try natin. Okay, let's see if this is good. Mainit-init pa siya. And too oily. In fairness, this is good. Okay, dessert na tayo. So we have the ube cake. This is cheesecake. This is chocomousse, coffee eclair, sapin-sapin, mango crepe, and ano to? Nutty tart. And, oh, thank you, Cyril. This is pandan creme brulee. Try na natin siya. Si Cyril daw magpipick ng una kong ito try. Okay, what should I try first? Okay, good choice because this is what I want to try first. This is the coffee eclair.
Is it dry?
Yeah. Napansin niya agad. Yeah, it is dry. Hindi ko pa gano'ng malasahan yung coffee. Let's give it one more bite. Nasa gitna yung coffee cream. So this is just... Is that okay? Hindi ko siya type. Okay, what's next? Choco mousse. Okay. Should I do it one bite? Ito yung choco mousse. You wanna try? There, one bite. May matigas na chocolate sa loob.
Do you want cheese sticks? I know you like.
Ba't ganon? Parang walang ganon lasa. Huh? Maybe because I came from pesto, masyadong strong. Hindi ko gano'ng malasahan. Matamis sa'yo?
Tamis. Siyempre. Bibig taste mo. Chocolate.
Sa akin, asin ano lang. Texture lang, malambot na malamig, tapos matigas. Maybe, I need to drink more water. Okay, what's next, ma'am?
This one is cute.
It's cute. It's the ube cake. Hehe. Ito, lasang-lasa mo yung ube. It's actually good, ha? I like it. Okay, what's next? Sapin-sapin. Okay. Their sapin-sapin is rolled, no? Natikman mo yung sapin-sapin? Okay. What the? Okay.
Get it.
Kulang din yung lasa niya sa akin. Kasi nga yung iba mas matamis. Mali tayo ng strategy, real. Sometimes the sweeter one overpowers the other ones. Okay, what's next, ma'am?
This?
Mango crepe. What are you looking at? Sino titignan mo? Okay, mango crepe. Oh my God. Ang asim ng mangga. I don't like that. And I guess the last one is this. The nutty tart.
Wait, I think the really last one is this one.
Oh yeah, how could I forget? Yeah, hindi pa pala to last. Well, what do you want me to try first? This one? Okay, this is the nutty tart. Ang sarap siya. Ano ang tawag sa ganito? Walnuts. It's walnuts and brown sugar and the tart. Sarap siya. I like the texture. And the last one, the cheesecake. Okay.
I didn't know.
Ang cute to. Yeah, it is. Rest in peace. Because it's Halloween. Cheers. Kulang sa lasa yung cheesecake. Yeah. Ang nalasahan ko lang yung tart. Okay. And this is the last one. Mainit daw to. Di ba? Ginalagay sa akin ni ate sa ano eh. This is the pandan creme brulee. Ano to nasa ibabaw? Yeah. Try natin. Medyo mapait yung ano. Hindi ko siya ganun type. Nag-overpower sa akin yung burnt sugar. Medyo matapang yung pagkaka-burnt. Ayun. Nalasahan ko na yung pandan tsaka yung pinaka-feeling niya. Good nga. Ang tapang nung part na nauna sa akin eh. Pero masarap yung ano, yung may part na sakto lang yung pagkaka-burn ng sugar. Good. Okay. that's it for dessert. Hindi pa pala tayo tapos sa dessert. Last, their vanilla ice cream. Ay! Tumapon. Well, in fairness, I like this. This is a good soft serve. Mabilis siyang matunaw, hindi siya yung ganong thick, pero gusto ko yung lasa. Lugi ako dun sa only drinks na 250. hindi ko maubos nun. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa soft drinks. Tsaka mga ibang juices. Ang gusto ko lang talaga water. Ito ang sulit. Kamusta ang iyong buffet dinner experience?
Ay, isa lang pala ako yung meat. Yung nandong meat.
Yung carving station.
Yung lechon, kasi lakas mo eh.
Hindi mo type yung matanglad.
Matanglad eh. Tapos yung soup ko mamalula.
Maluya. How about you, Surreal? Yes lang. Oh my God, she's playing with ice na. Oh my God. Okay, tapos na tayong kumain. Actually, di ba sinabi ko kanina na na-try na namin to before and nothing really stood out. Medyo ganun pa rin yung feeling ko ngayon. Ang price niya for weekdays is $9.48. For weekends, it's $1,048. Pero I think kung magana kang kumain, sulit na din naman siya kasi nga, it's hit and miss. Merong mga pagkain na masarap, meron naman na sakto lang, meron ding hindi. So I think kung malakas kang kumain, sulit na siya. Tapos yung drinks, yun lang yung parang para sa akin kasi hindi ko siya nasulit. Kasi nga hindi naman ako mahilig mag soft drinks and mga juice. Pero sa iba, siguro 250 is okay kasi yung a la carte nila 140 pesos. So, pwede na siya. Kami kasi kaya namin siya in-avail. Mandatory kasi dito na kapag deluxe yung room mo, you should avail a dinner buffet at least once. So anyway, that's it for our Sea Breeze Cafe or Sea Breeze Dinner Buffet Cafe. Ano ba yan? Ang dami. So anyway, that's it for our dinner buffet experience here at Sea Breeze. Okay, tapos na kami mag-dinner sa Sea Breeze Cafe. Tomorrow, uuwi na kami. Tomorrow, uuwi na kami. But anyway, it was a good trip. Anong highlight nyo?
Firefly.
Yeah, yun talaga yung pinunta namin dito, yung firefly watching. And then, ayun, pina-experience na rin namin ulit kay Cyril yung city tour. So anyway, yun lang. We'll see you on the next trip. Bye!